Almost all laptops these days come with an SSD. They are faster and more reliable than hard disk drives. Like my HONOR laptop, which came with a 512GB SSD, over time which got filled up with my data from work. So I decided to upgrade it to a larger capacity. I went online and searched for a good quality NVMe SSD drive and was about to order one until by chance I received an email from Orico, which is the latest SSD brand, who kindly sent me this SSD for review. This is the Orico OG7000 M.2 Nvme SSD with a 2 TB storage capacity. It is a Gen 4 SSD with staggering speeds up to 7400 Mbps. The drive also has a graphene thermal pad for better heat dissipation. So let's install this on my laptop and test its performance. First, double check which SSD your laptop uses. You can check it in your task manager or simply search on Google. There are two types of SSD, SATA and NVMe. Newer laptops generally use an NVMe SSD. They are 22mm in width and up to 80mm in length, thus 2280. Before replacing, you can create a bootable pen drive of Windows and also disable BitLocker on your old drives. Now to install it, remove the back panel of your laptop using a screwdriver. The SSD should be sitting around with a small screw. Simply remove the screw and pull it back to remove it from the slot. Slide in your new SSD into the same slot. Secure it in place with the screw. Now place the back cover and screw it properly, and it's as simple as that. Install a fresh new copy of Windows, install your favorite apps, and the laptop is back in business. You can also use the old SSD as an external drive by placing it in a SSD casing like this one. Now speaking of the performance, the new drive has more than double the speeds of the older one and 4 times the capacity. The boot time has also improved. At first, I was reluctant to try a new brand which I haven't heard of, but when I researched more, I could see that Orico has thousands of reviews on Amazon with an average rating even more than some of the old and reputed brands. So I thought it's worth giving a shot. Overall, I am very much satisfied with the upgrade. You can find an update on the review in the pinned comments below, which I will update in about 3 or 6 months after a long-term usage. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section below. Until then, you can subscribe for more awesome tech videos, and thanks for watching till the end.